In a world brimming with ambition and high stakes, a recent graduate named Mia stepped forth. With dreams as boundless as the ocean and a determination that matched, she was a force to be reckoned with. Her talent, unquestionable. Her potential, off the charts. Yet, as she began weaving her way through the intricate maze of corporate life, she found herself facing an unexpected challenge. Enter Alex, a strategist with an eye for potential and a penchant for pushing boundaries. Recognizing Mia's capabilities, he offered her a deal with a twist. The deal promised a coveted position within the company, but it came with a profound personal cost. The deal was deceptively simple yet startling. Mia was to shave her head. The act was more than a change of hairstyle. It was a symbol of shedding old identities to embrace the ethos of the company. For Mia, her hair was not just strands on her head, but a symbol of her individuality, her femininity. The decision weighed heavily on her, a delicate balance between her career aspirations and her personal identity. After deep contemplation, Mia chose transformation over loss. The day of the head shave arrived, and as the razor glided over her scalp, she felt a lifting of weight. It wasn't just her hair that was falling away, it was her fears, her reservations. She emerged from this experience with a newfound clarity and purpose. Mia's daring act sent ripples throughout the company. Her decision became a testament to her commitment and resilience. Alex, impressed by her courage, acknowledged that the real deal was never about appearances. It was about embracing change, pushing boundaries, and daring to stand apart. Word of Mia's story spread beyond the company walls, inspiring others to face their own challenges with courage. It served as a reminder that sometimes the most significant growth stems from the most unexpected sacrifices. Her head shave became a symbol of her dedication, a pivotal moment that marked the beginning of an extraordinary career fueled by innovation and the audacity to defy convention. In the end, Mia's journey teaches us a valuable lesson: that true success lies not in conforming to expectations, but in having the courage to challenge them, and that sometimes the greatest transformations come not from what we gain, but from what we're brave enough to let go. This is the story of Mia, a woman who dared to redefine her path and in doing so, inspired countless others.